I am Gauri. I am from first BCom B. I am studying in KCS Kasi Nadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about communication. What is communication? Communication is the process of passing information, sending and understanding or receiving the same from one person to another through verbal and non-verbal means. Next, types of communication: verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication: written, oral, visual. Non-verbal communication: facial expression, eye contact, gestures, postures and body languages. Next, advantages of communication: successful completion of works. The works of the subordinate depend to a great extent upon the communication they receive from their superior. Similarly, the successful completion of the task by the superior depend upon the nature and flow of communication from the subordinates to the superior. In the caste, communication solves a lot of problem and hereby it ensure the smooth running on enterprises. Cost minimizing communication helps in minimizing cost and conflictual among the employees and also ensure maximizing production. Helps to plan communication greatly helps in the planning and coordinating of the different activities in an organization. Share ideas, suggestion and complaints. When there is an effective system of communication, employees will have to opportunity to present their ideas, suggestion and complaints to the superior, who ultimately helps to build up as well as boost up their morals. Democratic management. Democratic management is possible only when there is an effective communication system. Implement decision in a time. Communication acts as a lubricant and keeps all the individual working in line with the expectation of top management. It also help management in making and implementing decision in time. Communication ensure the smooth running of an enterprises, helps in minimizing a cost and conflict among employees in planning and coordination and to build up the morals of employees. It also help management. Disadvantages of communication: poor planning. Effective communication seldom happens by chance. Sometimes people start communicating without a proper planning and starting the purpose of the message. This is a wrong and wasteful experience. Suggestions that drafting the right message, selecting the appropriate channel and closing a proper timing through planning can greatly improve understanding and reduce resistance to change. Poorly worked message. The sender of communication may have a clear idea about the message, but it may still be marked by the poorly chosen word, poor organization, awkward sentence structure, lack of coherence, omissions unnecessary and a failure to clarify its implication. This lack of clarity and precision, which can be costly, can be avoided through greater care in encoding the message. Semantic problems. Another barrier to effective communication is a semantic problem, which can be deliberate or accidental. Semantic problem arise when words have a different meaning from a different people. Words and phrases like profit increased Productivity, return on investment, or retained earning may have a positive meaning for managers, but less positive means for laborers. Status difference between a sender and receiver. Communication problem may arise when people of different status try to communicate with each other. The employer may not pay much attention to a suggestion from a worker, thinking something like, how can someone at the level help men run any business? Conversely, when the employer goes out to inspect a new plan, worker may be returned to offer suggestion because of their lower status. Perpetual difference between a sender and a receiver help perpetuate a situation differently. They may also have a difficult communicating with one another. Environmental factors. Environmental problem may also disrupt effective communication. For example, noise may affect communication in a many ways. Similarly, workload may be a problem when the receiver is being sent more information than he or she can effectively handle. Thank you.